Have you ever heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or crypto and felt completely lost? Don't worry. Today, we'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Cryptocurrency is like digital money. Imagine if you could send money to someone anywhere in the world without using a bank or a middleman. That's the power of cryptocurrency. Unlike regular money, called fiat currency, like dollars or euros, cryptocurrency is completely so. What is blockchain? Think of it as a super secure digital notebook. Every time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction is written in this notebook. And here's the cool part. This notebook is shared across thousands of computers around the world, making it nearly impossible to hack or change. Now, you might wonder, where do these digital coins come from? Many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, are created through a process called mining. Mining is like solving super complex math problems. When a computer solves one, it's rewarded with new cryptocurrency coins. To use cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet. It's like a virtual bank account where you can store, send, and receive your coins. But here's an important tip. Your wallet has private keys. Think of them like your PIN number. Never share them, or someone could steal your funds. Today, many businesses accept cryptocurrency as payment, and you can even trade it like stocks. But remember, the value of crypto can go up and down quickly, so be careful. That's it. Cryptocurrency is digital money powered by blockchain technology. It's fast, secure, and global. If you're curious, start small and always do your research.